This little job here is doing it for a good friend of mine and of my family. These people, they've taken care of us a lot. They were our neighbors for a long, long time. We know each other very well, so we treat them like family. They treat us like family. We need help, they'll help us. They need help, we'll help them, or I'll help them. They need a building, I'll give them a good deal on building because I know how to do construction. So yeah, it's a great way to make friends and have friends. And I'd like to treat every customer as family as well. It's just a great relationship with customers.